So far, we've talked about what it means to be epic, goals, and our 366 days of dance. Now, I want to discuss how to find the encouragement to be a star student. Star students are those who display all of the previously mentioned attributes in the studio and they live it. So, to be a star student, fellow dancers need to vote for you and they need to tell us why you should be celebrated. These are dancers that go above and beyond to encourage fellow dancers to be and do their best. They attend class regularly, set positive examples, are patient, and promote positive behavior and attitudes. We have a nomination box in our lobby, and we encourage you to vote monthly. So be sure to check that out and check back tomorrow as we start talking about all of our bar work. We kick off this next week with plies. See you then.